Hello children, guess the farm animal. Let's play a game. It is a big farm animal. It likes to eat grass. It provides milk. Its make sound moo moo. Guess the animal? Cow. Very good. This is a cow. C-O-W, cow. It has feathers. Its baby is called chick. It can lay eggs. It makes the sound cluck cluck. Guess the animal? Hen. Very good children. This is a hen. H-E-N, hen. It likes to eat grass. Its baby is called lamb. It provides wool. It makes the sound ba ba. Guess the animal? Sheep. Very good children. This is a sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. It has feathers. It has webbed feet. It makes the sound quack quack. Its baby is called duckling. Guess the animal? Duck. Very good children. This is a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. It runs very fast. It can be ridden. It makes the sound nee nee. Its baby is called foal. Guess the animal? Horse. Very good children. This is a horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. It is bigger than a chicken. It has huge feathers. Its baby is called poult. It makes the sound gobble gobble. Guess the animal? Turkey. Very good children. This is a turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. Congratulations children. Here is a star for everyone. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.